Hi, this is Ellen again, Ellen's Pinoy vlog. As promised, I will be making a shrimp and organic ground beef meatballs, and I will put patola, which is lufa. They call lufa. Okay, I'm gonna ground this shrimp and then mix it with my ground beef and then make it into meatballs. So here I did ground my shrimp. I put a little bit of fresh onion and fresh garlic, and I grind it so it's gonna be ready. I'll mix it with my ground beef and season it and make it into meatballs and then start cooking it. That's how it looks like. Okay, I may do that and put everything together. So guys, this is the ground beef and shrimp. I seasoned it already. This is the one that I'm doing as like a meatballs. I'm doing it a little bit smaller because I want to make sure that it's well done when you put it in your soup. If you make it a little bit smaller, then it's easier to cook. So it's already seasoned. I put fresh garlic and fresh onion while grinding it, and then at the same time put a little bit of Himalayan salt, the safest and healthiest salt. But we don't need a lot of salt, guys. It's not good for our body. We need sodium in our body, but not too much. So smaller. Okay, I'm almost done here. I just want to show you what is the size of my meatballs. There you go. So as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna start cooking. So let me finish this one and I will see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm almost done. Looks like there's a lot of meatballs here. I'll be cooking a lot because I'm gonna give, like what I said, every time I cook, I'm thinking about my sister. She loves, I was talking to her last night and she said, oh, I love that. So I'll be saving some for her and plus for my dad. My dad lives with her. He's 91 years old. He's a funny guy. He's fun to be with. Every time I visit him, which I visit almost probably once a week, we will be talking for a long time. And at the end, he said, "Oh, are you my sister or are you my daughter?" So he has a little bit dementia, but he's fine. He's very healthy. He's well taken care of. My sister is doing a good job watching her when she's off. He has a caregiver. My mom passed away 2019 after 4 years of being in bed because she had a really serious, massive stroke. 2016. She was in the ICU for 2 weeks, I think. It's a long story. So I miss her a lot, and now we just have our dad. Like what I said, he's 91 years old, so he's gonna love this because my mom used to cook this. And you know, my mom is a very good cook, so she cooks so good. But I was watching how she was cooking this, so I still remember any kind of food that you want to cook. If your passion is cooking, just tasting it, you'll be able to cook it. So anyway, I'm almost ready, so let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking my meatball soup. As usual, I use olive oil for my cooking. It's a little bit healthier. I'm gonna start the garlic. And it's always good to brown it. Okay, so let's wait till it's brown. This is my favorite pot. My husband bought it for me when he went to Hong Kong, and that was, God, it was probably 18 years ago, but it's so good. So I'm waiting for the garlic to turn brown, and then I'm gonna put onion and tomato. It's not brown yet. You know, I really love cooking. Love to cook. Actually, I was planning to start a food truck. That's my purpose. I want to start when I retire, which I'm gonna be retiring most probably next year. I want to start a business like a food truck, Filipino food truck. And you know, when I was thinking about it, when you're doing it, most probably you don't put a lot of selections in your menu. A limited one, so that's easier for you, and at least you will be able to take care the taste and the amount and the cleanliness of it. So I was thinking of doing a barbecue, maybe my own version of potato salad, which is really good, and or macaroni salad, and then maybe noodles every once in a while, but mainly barbecue and chicken or pork adobo. So okay, this is trying to wait till it's really good, and then once it's cooked, we're gonna put some liquid. And let it boil there. If you have beef stock or chicken, I think I have. Do I have? Yes. But you know what? I don't want to do that. Not unless it's organic. So water's better. And then I'm just gonna season it. So I think I need more. And then this one I'm gonna let it boil. I'm gonna cover it, let it boil. And then once it's boiling, I'm gonna start putting my meatballs. But as the meatballs boils there and cooking, that will give us the taste of the soup. Okay, so let me just wait till it boils. It will take a while, and then I'm gonna start seasoning it. So guys, it's boiling, so I'm gonna start putting the meatballs. Okay, so bear with me. I washed my hand already because I was washing my dishes, everything that I used. So, and then I will put my dad loves egg too, so when it's almost done, I'm gonna put maybe 2 eggs, so that when I save some for my sister, I'll put the egg for my dad. It's a lot of meatballs. It's good, so I can give her more. It's a good soup, especially in a cold weather. And then most probably I'm gonna get some egg. Okay, almost there. This will take a while. You have to remember, this is beef, so I want it really cooked, so we will wait till it's really done. Okay, so let's wait till it's done. It's boiling. Once it's boiling and the meatballs go up at the top of the liquid, means to say it's done. So I'm gonna cover it for a little bit and wait till it's boiling and the beef or the meatballs is done. And then I was thinking I'm gonna put this already cooked shrimp. I will put it. You know, guys, like what I said, don't be scared inventing your own recipe. I mean, this is a recipe for everybody. Everybody knows how to do it, Filipinos. But you know, don't be scared adding things like this one. And I will add egg. And I found the miswa. I'm gonna put a miswa. I'm gonna put a little bit because I don't want it to thicken. Miswa. So let's wait till it boils, and then I'll show you how I do it. Later on, I'm gonna put my patola, the lufa. Okay, and then of course I will season it. It depends when the beef and the broth is boiling. I want to taste if it's perfect already. If not, I'm gonna put a little bit of Himalayan salt and more pepper. Another tip, if you're cooking something and you put so much salt so it's salty, one thing that you can do is put a little bit of sugar. Sugar and salt can kind of like mix together, and then it will balance the taste, or the taste of your food. If it's too salty, put a little bit of sugar. That will balance the taste. Okay, it won't be salty anymore. So it's boiling already, but I want to make sure that the beef or the meatballs is cooked. So let me stir it. Woo! It looks so good, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and then if I have a new vlog, you just click, when you subscribe, just click the bell so that it will notify you if I have a new vlog. Most of the time I'll be cooking, you know, whatever I crave I will cook and I will share it to you. Since I'm home, I'll be cooking a lot. Simple food, and most probably afterwards, since I'm craving, I'll show you when I'm eating it. So subscribe in my channel. It's Ellen's Pinoy vlog, and one of these days I will do live. I will think of a special recipe that I discover, or my personal recipe, and I'll show it to you. I don't just cook Filipino food. I cook pasta too, with my own version, and my husband loved it. My kids too. You know, eyeballing everything. So looks like it's almost, I think it's cooked, because let me show you. Here is the soup. See what I told, what I have just mentioned. You will know if it's cooked because the meatballs will float on top. So it's the sign that this one is cooked already. So I will put the egg for my dad. One egg for my dad. Another egg, maybe for me. I will add the shrimp too. See how it goes. And then what else? And I will let the egg cook first before I put my vegetable. And like what I said, I don't usually overcook my vegetable. So right few minutes before I finish cooking, I will put my vegetable and cover it so that the vitamins and nutrients is there in the soup. Then I'm gonna try to season it. I will taste how it is, and then if needs an additional seasoning, I will do that. It's boiling now, see? So I'm gonna try to taste it, see if I'm missing anything. Wow, it's so good. Okay, I did it again. Let me put the patola, because it's almost done. So I'm gonna put my patola. And this is oh my god, don't you love it, guys? My meatballs and my patola, and I'm gonna scramble some eggs and then put it. So let me just do that. My meatball soup is boiling. I already put my patola, and then I scrambled some. I put scrambled eggs. That's how it looks like. And then my last one is my miswa. I'm kind of like gonna control how much miswa I'm gonna put, because I don't want it to thicken it so much. So I think, I don't know, what do you think, guys? I think that's enough, or I'll put the whole thing. A little bit more. Guys, look at that. And then look, when I put the shrimp, there's a meatballs and a shrimp. See, the size of the meatballs is not really that big. That's why it cooks so fast. And then my patola is done. Told you guys, once it's boiling and you put it, it will take a few minutes, and that's about it. So I turn it off already because it's cooked. This is my finished product. It looks so good. My sister and my family is gonna be happy. And I'll be happy too, because I'm craving for this. Plus my ginisang patola. And I have a leftover fried milk fish yesterday, so I'm gonna be eating lunch with my quinoa. And I'm gonna try this too, my vegetable and my little soup, okay? Meatball soup. My version. Hi guys, as promised, we're gonna be eating the food that I cooked. I have a leftover milk fish yesterday and some eggplant, and then my meatball soup with patola, and my upo, sauteed upo with shrimp. This is my granddaughter, Ellie. She's eating, what are you eating?
Ramen.
Ramen with
Cream cheese.
toast, okay? And this is my dessert, fresh fruits. And as I was looking at those fresh fruit, I saw almost ripe mango, and I have a homemade alamang. So let's eat. So Lord, thank you for all this food. That's it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I washed my hand already. So come on, baby. Let's eat. I still crave for this eggplant, fried eggplant. So try that one. Same thing. I'm eating quinoa in place of steamed rice. I'm gonna try my soup with patola. So good. This is the meatballs. This is so good.
Is it hot?
You have to hit it again. It's good for the cold weather. Let me try my sauteed upo. I don't know the English of upo, so I Google it.
Upo. Coyote?
No,
No? Wait, upo.
that's two different kinds of
Is it bitter melon? No.
No. Bitter melon is ampalaya.
Oh. What's upo?
Oh God, I forgot again. I Googled it. How is it? Good, huh? And then, like what I said, every time I cook vegetable, it has to be half cooked. And I don't put too much meat ingredients, because the purpose of just the additional meat ingredients is to give it a taste. I still wanna enjoy the vegetable. Oh God, I don't know what to. You want to join us? My daughter is here. She's eating too. Mango sweet. I just wish it's sour. But it's sweet. Did you heat it?
We're still warm.
Still?
Yeah.
Guys, the eggplant from yesterday and the fish still good. I'm gonna bring some soup to SP. She's not off today, but
You off today? Oh.
lunch is my my big meal. At night I just eat whatever I wanna, like, very light. What did I eat last night? Because I ate a big meal lunchtime. Did you guys eat last night? Yes, last night.
I'm gonna have those breadsticks.
Did I eat?
The crazy bread.
I forgot what I ate last night. Did I even eat?
You said you weren't hungry. Maybe because you had a big meal in lunch. Can you have that for lunch?
Mm-hmm. This is my daughter. Say hi. She doesn't want to be in the camera.
Because I just woke up.
But she just woke up.
Still wearing pajamas
Sorry, I'm not wearing.
at 2 in the afternoon.
I always doing this vlog, and I'm not even putting makeup. It's useless. You're wearing mask. And please subscribe to Ellen's Pinoy blog. And you will see my family, my grandkids. They'll be joining me most of the time. They're gonna be my vlogging buddy.
Come here.
Trying to shove his head under the
So I finished my quinoa, so I don't have any place of rice anymore. So I'll be eating this vegetable now. I'm good. So good. And this is my homemade alamang. Very spicy. Is that good? Nice.
Where's that?
Beat me.
Soup's good.
Yeah.
With this patola that I don't know the English. And the upo. I Googled it already. I mentioned it to my blog, but I don't remember. The meatballs is good. I grind some shrimp and mix it with and season it.
The meatball?
Mm-hmm. You guys need to learn to eat Filipino food. She's smiling. She said, no way.
Yeah, fish sticks.
It's so good. The only Filipino food they eat is adobo. Adobo and what else? Filipino spaghetti.
Nilaga.
Nilaga. Not sinigang. They're not fond of eating seafood.
Ella likes the crab. Get that.
There you go.
She likes that now.
Crab with coconut milk. Those are good. So I guess my other granddaughter loves those too.
The middle one.
The middle one
Where'd you get this fish?
at the Asian market. And you know, it's not really expensive. I was so surprised. There's no bones, and then it says belly, but there's so many meat. It's not only
Good.
belly.
Which one? 99 Ranch?
No, this here.
Oh, just the local one?
The
small
local one, yeah. And 2 pieces of those. The one that I gave you yesterday and today
It's a lot.
is only $5.99. Well, that's a good deal. So maybe I'll buy more.
They didn't have this at the bigger one? 99 Ranch?
I don't think so. I don't know where they're buying it. Because the brand, it seems like the brand is not.
I saw the packaging. There's different languages on it.
Yeah, so it's not imported from the Philippines. Oh my God, I'm full. I'm gonna eat this. You want manga? You want some alamang? Here's your alamang.
Is that the one you made for the kare-kare?
I always make my own alamang. I will buy the fresh one in the bottle and then I'll cook it. So
That's good.
yeah, so I can add more pepper, make it more spicy, and then actually it's very salty, but
Good.
I'll make sure that it's not gonna be salty anymore. I'm gonna put a lot of vinegar and then put a put some sugar. Like what I said, anything salty when you cook and it's you season it so and it tastes like so salty, you put sugar. It will blend the taste. So this alamang is perfect. It's not salty, it's not sweet, but it's spicy.
Spice.
My daughter loves it too. That's my daughter,
Thanks, Mom.
my one and only. My one and only. My daughter and my best friend, my shopping buddy. I just wish she can travel with me, but she cannot leave her kids.
Well, they're getting older. I could probably ditch them more.
Not this one. She's so attached to you. Your baby. That was done. I still have my, how do you call this?
Is that a blackberry?
A blackberry. I've been thinking about it. I said, oh my God, I forgot what kind of fruit is
Because
this
it's
one.
not raspberry, it's raspberry's red.
Mm-hmm.
So it's blackberry.
Guys, blackberries.
That's a big blackberry.
Mm-hmm. And I was telling them when we went yesterday, I don't know where the guy's getting this because it's so fresh. And it's fall season now.
Yeah.
So maybe they have the greenhouse to
Yeah,
grow
'cause
it.
That's not in season anymore.
No,
is it?
no fruits are in season anymore. It's just the persimmons in season. But this one, usually it's springtime and summer.
Oh, so maybe they're growing it
Maybe they're growing it
inside.
inside like greenhouse. Even this one.
You found the blueberry?
Mm-hmm. And then the strawberry yesterday. It's not really that big, but it's sweet. You like this? What kind of fruit do you eat? Apples.
Banana.
Banana. I don't eat banana. What else?
Oranges.
Oranges.
Strawberry, huh?
I don't eat banana because the banana has so much sugar. Like what I said, I'm diabetic, so I have to watch out what kind of fruits I'm eating. Even though they have a natural sugar, too much of those can really affect your sugar. So, banana is number one. I can eat it, but not the whole banana. And then orange and grapes too. I can eat it, but they have a lot of sugar, so I'm trying to avoid any fruit that has a lot of sugar. Pineapple, I love pineapple, but I can't. Every once in a while. If I crave, I do. It has to be in limited amount. But this one, I'm okay with this one. Because it's not too sweet. And it's healthy. This is very healthy. What is this? Blueberry. Blueberries are very, very healthy.
It has antioxidants.
Antioxidant. We finish it. Blueberry is so good.
What are you doing, Bentley? What did he do? Did he do something?
Okay. I think we're good. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Ellen's Pinoy vlog.
That was my juice.
Don't forget to subscribe again.
Guess what? It was was my juice.
And don't forget to click the notification symbol so that you can be updated whenever I post something. So you guys be safe and have a nice day. Today is Friday, and what time is it now?
It's like almost 2 in the afternoon.
Almost 2 in the afternoon. This is lunch. That's the reason why. Yesterday I was like this too. That's why dinner time
You're still full.
I don't feel hungry.
Yeah.
So basically I'm just eating once a day because I didn't eat breakfast. So I just drink my tea. I have a healthy tea. So this is what I'm gonna be drinking. This is Ellen's Pinoy vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will be updated if I post another vlog. Like what I said, I'll be cooking a lot, my own version. And you guys be safe. God bless you all. Bye.